Oh my gosh, I am so excited for this. I call it Drill Away Geode. So I'm going to lay down a few layers of gel polish and I'm curing between each layer. So my rule of thumb here is pick a theme. I'm going to stay within the jewel tones of blues, purples, pinks, and then at least two metallics in there. So I've done silver. I'm going to use this really awesome rose quartz that we love. And then I'm gonna go in with some, this is Wild Fig. It's by Young Hills, it's unreal. So I'm layering and I'm curing between each layer. I'm gonna finish with black on top and cure it. And then of course I'm gonna put down, well not of course, you wouldn't know. I'm gonna put down a top coat and cure it. So you've got a few layers, but you've only done one layer of each color. Clean this off so it's not sticky. Okay, here is the fun part. Sanding band, medium grit. Obviously, I'm not going this fast. I sped it up so you didn't have to watch me do this for 500 million years. It doesn't really take that long. But what I'm doing is I'm kind of inkling it a little bit in so I can see what color I'm going through to. And then when I get close to that blue, almost white, I kind of stop. Now, if you want more white to show through in the middle, then I would do 2 layers of white so that you don't go right through it because you never want to hit, well, I mean, you could hit your clear base. That could be rad. You'd have to make sure you have a really good clear base so you never hit there. Now, I'll show you that a little bit later maybe. I'm cleaning it off between. Now I'm going to go back in with this sanding band and I'm going to lay it a little more flat. My goal here is to expand the geode look, to create a more asymmetrical edging, and then as you kind of are more flat, you can pull out the edges of colors that are going to show. This is so freaking cool. I love it so much. So dust that off. Now, Gloss by Young Nails. This is the top coat you want because it's the perfect thickness. So first I'm going to lay it down over the whole entire nail. But because I've drilled away, I have divots. So I'm going to go back in with another bead, go up and down, back and forth, and fill those in. And then I am actually going to flip it upside down to pull it and then cure it. Amazing! Hope you guys enjoyed.